Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So today we discuss about a topic that is weight per ml. Mean the chapter is about miscellaneous determination and test. Here we discuss about the weight per ml, water moisture content, ash, alkalinity of glass, etc. So the weight per ml test is used mostly for those substances. Mean we have a liquid 1 ml liquid, and we want to find out the solid concentration in that liquid. So we called it weight per ml. Now the question arises, why we take this, find out why we do this process, because we have different types of preparations where we have solid and liquid, like we have colloidal preparations, like we have suspensions, like we have emulsions, etc. Now we'll go toward the procedure. First we need to take a pacnometer, and we measure that pacnometer firstly with water. Now if you can see this the first point, that take a clean dry pacnometer, calibrate the pacnometer by filling it with freshly boiled cooled water. First you take the water, boil it, and then cool it at 20 degrees centigrade. Now put that water in the pacnometer, and calculate the capacity of picno by assuming that the weight of 1 ml water. You will make the water weighted 1 ml. Take 1 ml water at 20 degrees centigrade, and the density of that water will be 0.0012 gram per ml of that water. So now adjust the temperature of that water, that is 20 degrees centigrade. Now we'll go toward the process, the calculation. What will be the calculation? First, weight of picnometer, we give the name of W1 as a gram. Weight of picnometer plus liquid, that is your water, through which you will find out the picnometer, that how much water can be adjusted in that picnometer. Now thirdly, weight of liquid sample, the sample which you want to weight. Now again comes C is equal to B minus A. Now B is the weight 2, that is weight of picnometer with liquid, and A is the weight of picnometer. Now after all this, uh, you will come toward the weight per ml, quantity of liquid filled by picnometer divided by capacity of picnometer. In very short, we can divide W3, C is equal to B minus A. So when you find your value, compare it with your uh, pharmacopoeia table. Now we'll go toward the second process, that is water moisture content. The water moisture content, we can say it is the amount of water which is present inside a content. Now, why we determine it? Because we have certain compounds in pharmaceutical products. We have tablets, we have medicines, we have syrups, etc. If the quantity of liquid is more, then the growth of bacteria may affect the product. So that's why we need to find out the moisture content of that compound. Now in this process, I will teach you in a very short manner, because we have the less time. So here we do titration. The titration is that process in which through one liquid we can find out the other liquid. Through a known liquid we can find out the unknown liquid. The other, you can stop the video and you can study it by yourself. Now there are different types of titration we have here in this process. We use most of the time called Fischer titration method. Now there are subtypes of titration, like trigonometric process have volumetric, colorimetric. Then volumetric have two types of processes: direct titration and residual titration. Now we'll go toward the third topic, that is about lotion drying. In the last topic, you can see this through this process. Weight of butter and content before drying, W1. Weight of butter content after drying, W2. Lotion drying percentage, you will find out W3 or C is equal to A minus B. First how much water is there in the compound, while now the current water is how much you can find out through here. Now lotion drying is the rest in is a test sorry is a test is usually carried out to determine the amount of volatile matter of any kind that is driven the under specified condition. Now here this is somehow complicated process, so we'll study the procedure as well. Now take 1 to 2 gram substance, reduce particle, mean grind it and then dry it. uh, Grind it. Now take this into the mean into the equipment where through which you will find out your laws on drying. Wait and shake to evenly distribute the substance. Number three is place the load bottle in drying chamber. Remove stopper. Mean you try to put this compound in a bottle or a container which have a stopper. Mean you need to drops the the water, and then you will find out your product. Now the fourth point is dry the sample at temperature specified in monograph bottle. Here this all process when occur, you have loss on drying mass of water in sample kg divided by total mass. Mean how much mass you dry it. Here I will tell you the very simple process. You can do it by yourself. Mean first you take your substance, then take this substance in and wet the substance. I will tell you the process which is very easy. Now after wetting this substance, you will took the substance into the autoclave, hot it, and then again take and again wet it. Mean 2 to 3 times you will repeat the same process, and after then you will apply this formula. You will find out that before what is the mass and now what is the mass, and you will find the percentage of that specific compound. Thank you so much. So now in the next topic I will share evaluation of ointments. I will try to teach this in a very short time, because less time is good and more means smarter is good. Thank you so much. So like, subscribe, and follow the channel. Thank you so much.